Hello everybody, Deepak here again, and today is 23rd of October 2020. I'm stressing this date out because today is a special day for me and for, let's say, another special company, which is Apple. Alright, so I really cannot express how thrilled I am, how I'm so ecstatic to do this unboxing. Alright, so without further ado, let me give you guys a little sneak peek, okay? Alright, stay tuned, stay tuned, okay? Alright. Oh, sorry. Check this out, guys. What do I have here? Well, what I have here is iPhone 12 in blue and iPhone 12 Pro in gold. Now we're gonna do unboxing of both of these beautiful iPhone 12, and I really cannot fathom how I'm gonna do this. My words might slip, okay? So it's gonna be totally raw. But before we do unbox, I'm gonna talk about the packaging. Look at this packaging. Now it's become very thin, as you can see it, and as you all know, like, the new packaging doesn't come with the power brick and the earbuds, so it's been thinned out, like, it's very pronounced thinness. All right, so imagine this was the actual size of iPhone 11 when they launched it. Now this is iPhone 12. So without further ado, we are going to unbox one at a time. So let's start with none other than iPhone 12, and then we'll have another video unboxing iPhone 12, and let's see the first impression, how it looks like. All right, so stay tuned and let's begin. All right, folks, as you guys already enjoyed my iPhone 12 unboxing video, so here I have another gift for you guys. It's iPhone 12 Pro. All right, and I have in color gold. So without further ado, let's pop it open. Oh, look at this. Ooh. Packaging is interesting, really. I don't know how to explain this packaging, really. It's very interesting. And the phone is here. So same thing with iPhone 12. It does come with the lightning to Type-C to lightning cable and some paperwork, which we are not that interested in. This is what we are interested in. Now, if you have noticed, iPhone 11, color gold was matte finish gold, but it was kind of gold. But look at this gold. It looks a little bit like a whitish silvery mixed gold kind of thing. But look at the side. Now the thing about this one is it is gonna be a fingerprint magnet for sure. There is the famous triple camera system at the back with the LiDAR sensor, LiDAR scanner here. Okay, man, it looks amazing. Wow, the color is, I would say, rather not gold, but this side looks like very polished stainless gold. Look at the glitter. All that glitters is gold. That's what the Led Zeppelin said. So maybe it is gold, right? Okay, so this is the solo unboxing, and I'm very excited, very psyched to hold iPhone 12 and 12 Pro on the release date, and I am very pumped to see how well it does in the market. By the way, 11 was one of the best-selling model from Apple, so it looks nice. It gives back the feeling of holding an iPhone 4, 5 probably. And the best thing I like is now, you see, this is what it can do, really. You don't need a tripod, do you? So that's it, guys, and hope you guys enjoyed it. Please stay tuned for further interesting videos to come up. Cheers.